Hi, I'm Andrew Barker. This is Modern Shakespearean Sonnet 185, Free Bird. As Vish, addressing a girl from the stage in Orange Peel, he had previously tried to chat up with reference to Lynyrd Skynyrd's Free Bird, 16th of December 2015. They just don't write poems with titles like this anymore, do they? If I read here tomorrow, would you still remember me? Apparently not so. Attraction, though's as much an act of will, at least for me, not you? Okay, I'll go. See, confidence explodes, and when it comes, it spews forth words, and words feed off themselves, untargeted. Words work like US drones, where only those who shoot or buy or sell the weapons think they hit the target claimed. Those confident with words will often miss, and when we do, we scattershot the stage. But from that stage, I try to focus this. Each free bird flies, but some wish to be tamed by love's attention, friendship's subtle fame. Thank you. That's Modern Shakespearean Sonnet 185, Free Bird, dedicated to Vish. He doesn't remember that incident, but as I wrote this poem, pretty much as soon as he'd said it, I think we can be assured this is pretty much what happened. Okay, thanks very much. I hope you enjoyed that one. Thank you.